Hey, beautiful people. It's essential to recognize how the words we say to ourselves can profoundly shape our experiences and relationships. Today, we're looking into the transformative power of affirmations. Simple yet powerful statements that can steer your life toward more meaningful and enriching interactions. Whether you're looking to deepen connections, communicate more effectively, or simply bring more joy into your everyday interactions, affirmations can be your secret weapon. Let's explore how you can harness this tool to enhance not just your relationships, but your overall well-being. In any relationship, recognizing what you truly need from your interactions is the first step towards improvement. Often we operate on autopilot, reacting to others based on old habits and patterns. But by using affirmations, you can begin to consciously shape your thoughts and consequently, your relationship dynamics. Start by reflecting on your current relationships. Ask yourself, what aspects would I like to enhance? Is it more understanding, deeper connection, or better communication? Once you identify these key areas, affirmations can serve as reminders and guides to help you focus on these qualities. For instance, if you're seeking more patience in dealing with your family, an affirmation like, "I am patient and calm with my family members," can prepare your mind to act more patiently when challenges arise. It's about setting a mental framework that aligns with your relationship goals. This proactive approach allows you not only to react more positively, but also to become the person who is capable of fostering the kind of relationships you desire. While we explore the power of affirmations further, it becomes essential to understand how setting clear intentions can act as a catalyst in transforming your relationships. Intentions fuel our actions and give purpose to our use of affirmations. They help to direct our thoughts and energies towards specific relationship outcomes. Begin by defining what a successful relationship looks like to you. It could mean having open, honest dialogues, feeling supported during tough times, or simply enjoying more laughter together. Whatever your vision, let it guide the affirmations you choose. For example, if you aspire to foster trust and openness, an affirmation like, "I create trust and openness within my relationships," can reinforce your intent and gradually manifest these qualities in your interactions. This process of setting intentions is not about controlling others or the outcomes, but about empowering yourself to be the agent of change in your relationships. By consistently aligning your thoughts with your desired outcomes, affirmations help you embody the qualities necessary to build and sustain meaningful connections. Moving from intentions to action, the next step is creating personal affirmations that resonate with your relationship goals. Crafting effective affirmations involves a few key principles: positivity, present tense, and personalization. First, ensure your affirmations are framed positively. Focus on what you want to bring into your relationships rather than what you wish to eliminate. For instance, instead of saying, "I don't want to argue with my partner," frame it as, "I communicate clearly and calmly with my partner." Next, phrase your affirmations in the present tense to bring a sense of immediacy and reality to your goals. Say, "I am understanding and kind in my interactions," which helps your mind accept these qualities as current facts, not distant possibilities. Make your affirmations deeply personal. They should reflect your specific needs and aspirations, making them more powerful and relevant to you. A personalized affirmation could be, "I am fully present and attentive when listening to my loved ones," which targets improving your attentiveness in conversations. By integrating these principles, your affirmations become not just phrases, but catalysts for real change in how you relate to those around you. Each affirmation is a step towards consciously crafting the relationships you have always desired. Incorporating affirmations into your daily life is key to making them effective. It's not just about saying them once. It's about making them a consistent part of your daily routine. This repetition reinforces the positive messages in your mind, gradually shifting your thoughts and behaviors. Start each morning by affirming your relationship goals. Before you even check your phone or speak to anyone, take a moment to recite your affirmations. This sets a positive tone for the day ahead, preparing you to act according to your affirmed qualities. Similarly, ending your day with the same affirmations can help reinforce the day's positive interactions and resolve any lingering negative thoughts. Another powerful practice is to write your affirmations down. Keep a journal specifically for this purpose. Writing not only helps in memorization, but also makes your intentions more tangible. Seeing these affirmations daily as you write them strengthens their impact on your subconscious, enhancing their effectiveness in your relational dynamics. Affirmations can significantly improve how you communicate within your relationships. By consistently affirming positive communication qualities, you train your mind to adopt these patterns in actual conversations. For instance, affirming, "I listen actively and speak kindly," helps embed these behaviors in your communication style. This isn't about immediate perfection, but gradual improvement. Over time, you'll notice that you're more attentive when others speak, and your responses become more thoughtful and less reactive. This practice not only enhances how you express yourself, but also how you receive and interpret what others say. It encourages a communication style that fosters clarity and understanding, reducing conflicts and misunderstandings. While you become more practiced in this mindful communication, the quality of your interactions improves, leading to stronger, more resilient relationships. Empathy is a cornerstone of strong relationships. It allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering deeper connections. Affirmations can be a powerful tool to enhance your empathic abilities by focusing your mind on the importance of understanding others' perspectives. By affirming, "I value and respect the viewpoints of others," you prime yourself to approach conversations with openness and curiosity. This mindset encourages you to ask questions and listen more deeply, rather than simply waiting for your turn to speak. Over time, these small changes in approach can lead to significant improvements in your relationships, as others feel more heard and valued in your presence. Another helpful affirmation in this area could be, "I seek to understand before being understood." This statement reminds you to prioritize the needs and feelings of others, which can help mitigate conflicts and strengthen the bonds of trust and respect in your relationships. By fostering empathy through such affirmations, you create a nurturing environment for your relationships to thrive. Relationships inevitably face challenges, from misunderstandings to differing needs and expectations. Affirmations can provide the resilience and positivity needed to navigate these challenges effectively. By focusing on affirmations that promote harmony and resilience, you can approach conflicts with a mindset geared towards resolution and growth. An affirmation like, "I approach relationship challenges with calmness and clarity," can be incredibly beneficial. It helps keep your emotions in check and your mind clear, providing the space needed to think through issues and communicate effectively. This approach not only helps in resolving the immediate issue, but also builds a framework for dealing with future challenges in a constructive manner. Affirmations such as, "I am committed to finding positive solutions in my relationships," reinforce a proactive attitude towards problem solving. This affirmation encourages you to look for ways to improve the situation rather than dwelling on the problem. It promotes a forward-thinking mindset, which is crucial for maintaining the health and longevity of any relationship. Starting on a journey of personal transformation, especially within the realm of relationships, requires both patience and persistence. It's important to remember that changes in behavior and mindset take time to manifest. Affirmations are powerful, but they require consistent effort to yield visible results. Affirming, "I am patient and persistent in improving my relationships," can serve as a daily reminder of your commitment to this process. This affirmation helps reinforce the understanding that growth is gradual and continuous. It encourages you to stay the course, even when progress seems slow or invisible. Remember, every repetition of an affirmation is a step towards internalizing positive attributes and behaviors. Maintaining a spirit of persistence is crucial. An affirmation like, "I am committed to continually growing and nurturing my relationships," reminds you that relationship improvement is an ongoing process, not a one-time effort. It helps you stay motivated to put in the work required every day to foster stronger, healthier connections with those around you. While you become more comfortable with basic affirmations, you might want to explore advanced techniques to deepen their impact. Visualization and affirmation meditation are powerful methods that can enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. Visualization involves picturing the successful outcome of your affirmations. For instance, when you affirm, "I communicate clearly and calmly with my partner," visualize yourself in a conversation where you are doing exactly that. This mental imagery reinforces the behavior you want to embody and makes it more tangible. Affirmation meditation, on the other hand, combines the calmness of meditation with the focus of affirmations. Dedicate a few minutes each day to meditate on your affirmations. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and repeat your affirmations slowly, focusing on each word and its meaning. This practice not only deepens your relaxation, but also embeds the affirmations more deeply into your subconscious, enhancing their influence on your daily life. While we are near the end of our exploration into using affirmations to enhance relationships, let's take a moment to recap the key strategies we've discussed. First, understanding your personal relationship needs sets the foundation for effective affirmations. Then, setting clear intentions helps steer your actions and thoughts in a positive direction. Crafting personal affirmations tailored to your goals allows you to address specific aspects of your relationships that you wish to improve. Incorporating these affirmations into your daily routines ensures that they become a part of your subconscious, guiding your interactions in more meaningful ways. Through the power of positive communication and building empathy, affirmations enable you to forge deeper connections and resolve conflicts with grace and understanding. I encourage you to continue this journey, accepting the practices we've shared. Affirmations are a tool. Like any tool, their effectiveness depends on consistent and mindful use. Keep your affirmations alive by revisiting and revising them as your relationships grow and your needs evolve. This is not just about improving your relationships, but also about fostering a deeper understanding of yourself and how you relate to others. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to start improving your relationships through affirmations, why not begin today? Select one or two affirmations from our discussion that resonated most with you and start integrating them into your daily life. Remember, the journey to enhanced relationships is ongoing, and each day presents a new opportunity to strengthen your bonds. Don't forget to share your experiences and progress. Engaging with others on similar paths can provide support and insight as you navigate your relationship improvements. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insights and strategies to enhance your personal and professional life. Your feedback and engagement are what drive us to create content that empowers and enriches. Let's continue this journey together, affirming our commitment to building healthier, more resilient relationships.